Happy 58th anniversary, honey.
Oh, thank you. What's in it?
Well, open this stupid thing up. Besides,
You
when
want me
did...
to guess what it is?
No, just open it up.
Let's open. Well, let's see.
When is supper going to be ready?
Oh, forget supper. Oh, look at, I got pearls. Pearls from Pearl's Paradise.
How about
Aren't they
that?
beautiful?
They send me a pair too?
No, of course not. I'll get dressed. We'll go out tonight for supper. How does that sound?
As long as you pay for it.
You think? We'll have a big steak instead of hamburgers.
Sounds good to me.
Let's just do that. And I'll go get dressed with my beautiful Pearl Paradise pearls.
Okay.
Thank you so much. You're a sweetheart.
Thank you. Don't get carried away.